What's poppin'? It's a girl named McCaffrey, and I am on your screen with another video. So as you can see, I'm looking so smuggling and poppin', and I am on my way to, I don't know if it's a conference or a meet and greet, but I am on my way to the Oasis Hotel around Accra Mall, and I'm going to meet the one and only the one and only with Maya. Not only I alone, but a lot of content creators. We are going to learn a few things and feel like make new friends, like, yes. So that's probably it, and I want to take you along with me, and let's see how it goes. So stick and stay to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and yes, if you're an old returnee, hey, welcome back. Remember to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that your girl is popping. So yeah, let's get started. So I am on my way to the Oasis. From how I'm talking, you can know that I'm very tired. I got lost, but with the help of people giving me the direction to the place, I am almost there. I have not even gotten anywhere, but I can say I'm almost there. So yes, let's keep going to Oasis. Like, okay, what I didn't say at first was good day Maya is meeting all content creators, and I'm here to find out the reason. On his flyer he was like taking Africa to the next level. So yes, as an African, beautiful black African girl, I have to be there. So I am there. I think I can see the place, but my legs are not yet at Kenya. It's getting a bit dark. I hope you bear with me. So yes, let's continue. I have finally gotten to the place. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait to show you more. The local girl in me.
I'm telling you, but no job in Ghana is paying more than even for expats. I'm not, listen, I'm not bragging or anything, but I'm telling you that when you go back to your room, go and rebrand yourself and go quit your job. Thank you.
So a lot of the stuff, like some people may not believe, but a lot of the stuff he's saying is true. I started, as I said in the beginning, I started my YouTube because I was using it as my CV for jobs. I started YouTube in 2006, and I didn't take it seriously. It was just as a CV, and I would just post things randomly as I felt like. And then Wode Maya was like, last year, I don't understand. You should be a big YouTuber in Ghana. You should be like massive because you work with the year of return. You should be massive. That's what you said to me. Oh, he's having a conversation. You said I should be massive. He said to me, you, Ivy, you should be massive. You should be a huge YouTuber in Ghana. I don't understand. He's like, look at me.
Look at me. I'm big.
You just bigger. So I was distant. I was focused on a job. He was saying, you're not able. This is getting hurt.
When you have a job,
you're not able to focus as much as you want to on your channel. But when you're able to be consistent, what I'm doing now, because I still have a job, I still work for Ghana Tourism Authority, so I'm still working full time and trying to grow my YouTube. So when I'm not able to edit my videos, I just do a live. I do a live stream because I know that it's still content. So if you don't have time for content, live stream videos. Go through your comments, see what is the most common thing people are asking you. So like the other day, people keep asking, not the other day, but for the last 6 months, people keep asking, how do we get citizenship in Ghana? Americans, how do we get citizenship? We should get it automatically. Americans should get it automatically. Why should we have to fight for it? Black Americans. So what did I do? I decided to do a live stream. Should African Americans get automatic citizenship? I got so many people watching. Within 24 hours, I had like 2,800 views of the video. I don't know what it's at now. So read through the comments to find your next topic. I don't know if any of you spend time doing that, but reading through your comments can help you find your next topic. And pay attention to the analytics, somebody said here earlier. Paying attention to analytics will help you understand who your audience is. When you understand who your audience is, spend time looking for content that audience is reading, content that audience is watching, and then you find your own way of doing the same thing. Because I know you keep saying you have to be different, but sometimes doing the same thing, but your own way, is what makes people like your content. So makeup people, I know you've been working on makeup people today. One thing I want to know, so if you do makeup, please, I want to see a video about this. Which makeup is safe for my skin? Which makeup has a lot of chemicals? Which makeup is natural, that's not going to make me go blind in 10 years if I'm using this mascara all the time? Which glue is bad for my eyes when using lashes? Because there's glue out there that will make you go blind over time. Which one is it? Talk about those kinds of things. Women want to know because they want to keep nice skin. They want to make sure they don't get sick. So those are kind of different ways to do your makeup. I want to know. I'm not serious. I want to know. So the supplement that I started in 2006, everybody was able to monetize, by the way. So I was monetizing, and then they blocked it. And I think it was 2000, and was it 15 or 16? Then they blocked it. So I was monetizing, even though I didn't have that many subscribers. And then when they blocked it, everything changed, and you have to be strategic. Now I'm more consistent. And then in a month, I made almost the same amount of salary as my job. In a month. From 4 videos. 4 videos gave me almost my month salary. So I have to keep pushing. So it gets to the point that
So I was basically asking him a question, but my sound was so bad that I didn't even know it was going to get loud. So sorry. So my question was basically about niching down, and I was just asking him how best can you niche down in order to not be all over the place. That's what I was asking him. So I was just asking him basically how to niche down, and he was like, okay, so you just probably have to know what is best for your channel. You taste a lot of food to get your favorite food. So if you said I was laughing or smiling, you just get what is good in order for you not to be going round and round and round. You can try everything else, but you definitely get what works for your channel, and maybe at a spot one video just blows up and you know that's what the people like. And also I asked him to encourage every YouTuber, and he was like, just be passionate and love what you do. Finally, I got the opportunity to meet Bude, and it was so fun. I had a lot to learn,